Hey, my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Takoa, and at my tea party, I love to share with you planner related videos from sticker book flip throughs, plan with me's, organization videos, and a few subscription box unboxings. So in today's video, I am going to be unboxing my Simply Gilded order, and this is a stationery subscription box that I absolutely have been loving for the past few months. And so I cannot wait to show you what this month's box is. All right, and so if you are new to my tea party, I do hope that you consider subscribing so that you can become a part of my tea party squad and know when I upload new content here at my channel. So let's see what this one is for this month. Ooh, she's fancy, y'all. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have Miss Park Avenue. Love it. And this is a volume 34. Absolutely love this. This is super cute. I have been hoarding the boxes, y'all. I still am trying to figure out what I'm really going to be doing with them. But these boxes are so stinking cute. So on the back says, good things come in pink packages. Oh, that's so cute. So I'm assuming we're going to get something tailored to this little guy here. But that is really cute. I'm loving these subscription boxes by Simply Gilded. So if you're interested in purchasing or going ahead up and signing up for Simply Gilded, please check my description box down below. Excuse me. Check my description box down below because I do have a discount code that you can actually use to make your first purchase. So I did have a few of you guys that went ahead and took advantage of that, and you have been loving it. So you know your girl is going to be doing some unboxing and showing you, and I'm glad that you guys are not disappointed. So, do y'all see this? So one of the things that I did love about Simply Gilded was, of course, their washi, but of course, I like the subscription box because you not only get the best of both worlds because you get your washi, but you also get some more stationery items in here. So this is the Park Avenue. This is the August 2020 box. So we are going to be looking at some foiled journaling cards. We're going to get a designer washi tapes. We're going to get deluxe sticker kits and seals, vegan leather sticker book. Oh, yes. I love the sticker books, y'all. Okay, let me focus. Okay, so you're gonna get your B6 stitch binding notebook, an engraved black gel ink pen. I love the pens. And then we're gonna get an enameled charm keychain, and then we're gonna get some foiled sticky notes. I love the sticky notes. And so we're also gonna get a mystery item. So we're gonna figure out what the mystery item is. So if you're watching this video and you don't want to get spoiled, then I suggest you pause it because I don't know when I'm gonna stumble across this mystery item, but I am definitely going to be going through each item in here. All right, so let's start with the pen. So we're going to get our gel pen that is like rose gold. And then we get this nice like brown nude plaid design on here. And it is the gel. So I love that you have like the little rose gold there. And I have been collecting the pens. I really started getting hooked on it for the washi and the pens. My planner bestie was sharing some of the pens with me, but then she realized how good these pens were, so she stopped. So I had to get my own subscription box. But no love is lost because I am loving every minute of it. Now I am going to keep this little bag as well. Ooh, I'm a hoarder. So I love this little bag here. So I'm going to try to be delicate with it. But we're going to get our washi tapes in here. So we're going to check out those. So we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 washis. Let's see. Come on. There we go. All right. So here is like the plaid that matches the pen. So I do like that. That is so cute. Like this is so cute. But I noticed that some of the plaid in here has like that gold or rose gold foil on there. So that'll really pop in your planner when you're doing a spread. So we saw that one. We saw the pen. This one, oh, this is cute. So we're going to get this one, has like some florals in here with some gold foil ribbons on there or bows. That is really cute. So we're going to get that one. And then we're going to get this one. It has like that soft blush pink in the back with some rose gold bows. in there. Super cute. And then we're going to get 2 of these. Oh, I already see this, y'all. Look at this. Okay, so we're going to get, see if we can focus. So here we're going to get like a rose gold foil washi with some white hearts on here. I could be wrong. Then we're going to get some To Clean Home Work Meal Plan. I love that washi at the bottom. I normally use this to like divide it and cut it, and I can make headers for each item on my dashboard. So I think I'm going to play around with the Simply Gilded. Oh, I think I'm going to do that for my next spread. I'm going to play with my dashboard layout and use these. Oh, do y'all see this? Oh, this is so cute. This is like a skyline or like washi tape with like the little buildings on there. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. That is cute. That just blew my mind. And then we're going to get a bigger size of this ribbon right here, or this washi. So you get a medium size, and then this is the big size. I'm not for sure of what the point millimeters are for each one. I'm still learning that, but I do like that you get 2 of these actually in different sizes. So that was a washi. I'm sorry. All right, so next up we're going to take a look at this key fob or keychain. This is our little charm, and again, like I said, I knew this little guy was going to come back up because I saw it on the back of the box here. So I just felt like, you know, little attention to detail when you see like little stuff like that on the box, and you should know what to sort of kind of expect in here. But I love this. So you get the cute little teddy bear with the heart and the bow, and then a little charm or keychain here is in the shape of a heart. Definitely going to be using this. Oh, this is cute. Oh, that is so cute. So we're going to get that. Okay, we're going to save that. I think I know what this is. Okay, so here we're going to get some sticky notes. I love that. So the sticky notes is actually the same floral that was in one of the washis, which is always coordinating with each other. So I love that. So we got that. Then we get our little sticker book. Let's check that out. I do have a rose gold one, I believe, of that. So yeah, this is where we get to store all of our goodies from our subscription box for the month. And then this is actually 2-sided, so you can slip in some stickers here. And then when you flip the page over, you can slip it in on this side as well. So it's 2-sided. And then you have your little pockets here. And I love how flexible it is. Good for traveling. And then the inside here. And you can actually put this charm if you want connected to it. I think that'd be really cute. So that's the sticker book. All right. And next we are going to be looking at, I believe this is going to be our deluxe sticker kits and seals. So I feel like I'm going to use this. This feels like a fall kit to me. Like the design, the color, all of that. All right, and so we're going to get some heart icons in that rose gold. Look at that. All right, and then we're going to get some date dots here. And then these are actually in the shape of hearts. I don't know if you can tell. Just try to see if the lighting can get it, but it's in the shape of hearts, just the same like this one. So, all right, and then we're going to get some of these little boxes here. Park Avenue, and we're going to get some of our little envelope sealers. Love having that. And then these are our kits here. So I love these. These are so cute. Look at the little guy. So cute. All right. All right, and then here is our journaling card, which is really cute. I have been collecting these as well. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to do with it, but for now I'm like collecting these. These are really cute. And then this is going to be our B6 binding notebook, and it does come like in dot grid. I'm not going to open it just because I want to kind of keep it safe until I really am ready to start using this. Now, last but not least is the mystery item. Yes, it is the mystery item. And we're going to take a look-see at this because I am excited about this. So it's like a little wallet. You can slip in your license here, your debit card, and any bills or cash you want to carry, or use it for whatever. And then of course you can put your little charm here that comes with it. Just kind of have an easy access. This is so cute. So we're going to get like a little mini wallet as our mystery item. Oh, this is cute. Super cute. So that was everything that came in my August Park Avenue subscription box from Simply Gilded. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and getting a chance to see what all comes inside of here. And hopefully you'll get an opportunity to go ahead and see if this is something that you really want to add to your collection or add to just like some of your monthly subscriptions. I absolutely have been enjoying it. From each box, I do have a flip through or unboxing on my channel. If you want to take a look at some of the previous months to kind of see what came in each month, you are free to do so. I'll actually put a link in the description box below so that you have easy access to that, so you can kind of see those unboxings. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new here to my tea party, I do hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and enjoyed my channel thus far, so that you can consider subscribing to my tea party. So I will see you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching.